catch a break. Roar of machines frying my brain. Dreams shattered by the cracking ground. Alarm clocks lost their gate and sound. Traffic cones and dust in the streets, pounding echoes beneath my feet. Safety vests in neon glare, peace and quiet nowhere near. Jackhammers sing their morning tune. Sunrise riot way too soon. Need some calm, but all I hear is the noise that I'm meant to fear. Earplugs in, but they can't fight the chaos that invades the night. From dawn till dusk, tortured ear, wishing they'd just disappear. Coffee can't tame this waking beast. Hit snooze, but noise is not at ease. Dreaming of a silent dawn, a morning free of this calm. Jackhammers sing their morning tune. Sunrise riot way too